Hi guys, sorry I gotta cut it again. So let's finish my house, by the way. Let's just add this and this. And let's do the same over here. And over here. No. Got this. And let's put some white concrete. There. Fill in the holes. I'll clean that up later. There. Is that okay? There. Now let's clean up the inside. Let's clean up the inside.
I'm catching squid, Achi.
Now let's break this
Fishies.
fish. There. Just break. See? It's much faster if you do that. Now let's add some. There. Put some windows there and put some yellow over. What white?
Cellphone, how much cellphone ako tayo?
Then that. Then put the doors. Stand on. There.
Cellphone mama tiya ko ate, palot tiya.
Sipon mo mapi. There. A place to stand on and a door. Let's try this one.
Tiya.
Huh?
Mo kasi mo siya tiya ang cellphone na
Isa lang.